in the process of creation, creativity is there's a science, pure science behind the creative process of the mind. So to be able to actually, harness that power, that creative power that we all possess. One of the first steps that's kind of known knowledge in that sort of the science of, figure out your creative process is actually gathering knowledge. They call it preparation. That is the first step for building on building on creative ideas. Preparation is basically just gathering information, gathering knowledge, because you gather that information and it goes into a certain part of the brain. And once you have that information, actually the new information builds like a network of neurons to your experience or your past thoughts or creations. Once you add new knowledge, you can build new ideas. And it's very, very important to always constantly look for knowledge. And Genesis is probably the most perfect platform to gather as much knowledge as you can about the industry, about yourself, about your business, about your creative process, about your design process, and all of the above.